Okay guys, welcome back to Straight Yard TV. Today I have something special for you guys. This one is gonna be so nice. So guys, a lot of people talking about bake and roast and all these things. Today I'm gonna give you some curry. See? You know what is this, guys? Turkey wings. Curry turkey wings. So I have 2 packs here. I'm gonna get them clean up, wash up, get them seasoned, and then you know it go. That was nice. This one is gonna be so nice, guys. Trust me. So stay tuned and watch the video. Alright, people. So right now, get some water upon them. Get some vinegar, you know, have to wash up your meat and clean up your meat, you know. Meat have to be nice and clean and proper before we start cook. You know how we do it all the while. We wash your meat thoroughly and we keep your meat clean. This is how we do it. Straight Yard TV. One Straight Yard TV. Up and running. So we have to run through them guys with some vinegar water, yeah, you know. Cause this curry chicken, this curry turkey wings gonna be so nice. A lot of people don't go cook turkey on Thanksgiving and all these things, guys, but the wings and a lot of part of turkey can do different way. So I'm gonna show you how to make the best curry. Okay? And this curry is not gonna normal. Okay, my people, this is it. Well clean and nice. Ready to season. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little garlic powder. I'm gonna add a little onion powder. Guys, season the way you want. I could leave the links, but not yet. Yeah, man, don't talk about the can cook that part of it. Here I got my Maggi. No, I can't leave out Miss Maggi, you know. Guys, if you can't get this season, I will send it to you. And I'm gonna go in. You know, easy spice, all purpose. Straight from Jamaica, guys. No MSG. A little of my complete. You know, the complete have a lot of salt, guys, so you gotta know if you use the salt, is the complete. Even though it's a good season, but you gotta know to use it. You don't need a lot. Alright. So alright, those seasoning is complete. So now we are going to put a little black pepper. So we are going to grind some black pepper. Alright. Okay. I have my bay leaf here, guys. We gotta stay tuned and watch the way I'm gonna use the bay leaf. I have my masala here. I'm not gonna put it on yet, so stay tuned. Watch the video to the end, and you will see when I'm gonna use those seasons, because those seasons are key season. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little curry, not a lot, because I'm gonna burn some curry also. Okay, guys? Alright. So right now we'll go ahead and mix him in. Mix him in, massage him. Like you're massaging your lady. Okay, guys? Get the season all over it. All over. Make it equally mixed in. So everybody gets some. Nobody get more than each other. That is it. Look at it. Okay, my people, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscribers, thanks for watching the video. One love, Straight Yard TV. So guys, here I have an onion, I have a scotch bonnet pepper, I have some thyme, some scallion, some people call it green onion. I had 2 piece of garlic. I'm gonna put in my earth seasoning now. You know we can't cook the pot without earth seasoning now, people. Pot of you having earth season. Make it nice. So we are go cut them up and put them down and let him soak, marinate for a little bit before we start to cook him. You know how it go already? The more you put your meat for soak, the more flavorful, people. Just don't season up your meat and cook it at the same time. Remember to give it the time to rest and relax in the season so it gets a flavor flying all about. When you cook it, it's gonna be so good. Trust me. Well, I'm not gonna put all of this pepper, guys, because I know it's real hot, so I'm just gonna put this little piece. And if you guys love pepper and you wanna use a whole one, go for it. But I'm just putting a little piece because my pepper is really hot. And I'm not gonna use all of this onion, I'm just gonna use a half. Okay? You can season the way you want. But if you follow this step, you won't regret it. Trust me. I like to teach you from scratch, my peeps. And this onion is small, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the whole of it. Because I like a lot of earth season. These season give it flavors. Real flavors. No joke. Alright. So basically all we're gonna do now is just mix them up again. So the season can go all around in the meat equally. Let's see what we are talking about. In there? Nice. That's what we're talking about. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. And give it a like. Remember, Straight TV. Love you guys. All of my viewers and my subscribers, stay tuned. Love you. Okay, my beautiful people. This is it. I'm going to cover it up. And let it sit there for like about 30 minutes. And then we will get right back to you guys. Stay tuned and watch the video. Straight TV. Okay, guys, so here we're going with the turkey wing now. See there? So we cook some nice curry turkey wing. So I'm going to show you how to cook the best curry turkey wing. And this is not a regular one, guys, so stay tuned. Watch the video. I showed you these ingredients last night. I tell you when I was going to use them. So, first and foremost, go in with a little piece of garlic in my pot here. Get some garlic in, get up oil nice and season it. Release some flavor in the oil. You know it go already. Then we are going with a piece of scotch bonnet. You know this pepper is really hot, you know, guys, so I'll put a lot in it. Pepper is quite hot. Pepper is really, really hot. Okay. So now we get that in the pot. Go ahead. Get in some curry. It burn. You know it already. You burn your curry. Then we have to go in with a little masala in the pot. Gotta know to use masala, guys, not a lot because it will make the pot bitter. We are going with a little chili. A little bit. Now we are going with the bay leaf, guys. Bay leaf is very strong, you don't need a lot. Like how this small already, just like 2 little leaves. I'm gonna rinse them off and put them in the pot. Some people don't rinse them, but everything I put in my pot I wash. Alright guys, so see that the color then? Right, the color that we are talking about and I'm so we are go right ahead and add in the turkey wing then. Right away. Right away we are adding them. Now we are add all the ingredients in the pot. All the ingredients. Right, now. I'll be my stir. Here up. And then the pit. And a rich color there. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. So, get something to hold the pot, guys. The pot is really hot. So, stir them up. That's what we're doing right now. Stir them up. Guys, you want to smell that flavor? Yeah. This one is gonna be a bang. Who don't know to cook curry turkey wing? This is it, guys. See how beautiful it is? Wow. Guys, I'm gonna cover up the pot and let the fire do the work. So stay tuned. Watch the video to the end, guys. One straight to your TV. Okay, my beautiful people. This is what we're talking about. We give him a next. Sear it up. I know I don't add no water yet, my people. I'm trying to make the chicken build the turkey wing build its own juice, guys. Before I add anything to it yet. I'm trying to release all this flavor in the meat. And you know turkey wing is much nicer than a chicken wing. Because it have more meat and you have a different sweeter texture, guys. So try it. Trust me, it's nice. To me, it's nicer than chicken wing. When you try this turkey wing, you're not gonna eat no more curry chicken wing. You're just gonna eat turkey wing now, guys. Trust me. This is a new thing. Nice. I'm telling you. This one is gonna so delicious. What I'm doing, cover him up back. Put him on a slow cook, guys. Because I'm not gonna add no water as yet to the pot. I'm gonna let it take time, slow cook. I'm still gonna add some water because I know it's tough. It's tougher than the regular chicken wing. So you have to add some water to it to get it popping. Alright? So stay tuned. This meat is seasoned overnight, guys. So you know how that go. That was nice. Ready? Okay, my people. So this is the container that I seasoned it up in. So what I'm gonna do is rinse it out, take out all those seasoning, add them to the pot. So at this point, I'm gonna put some boiling water. Always have boiling water in the kitchen, guys. Cold water slow down the cooking process, okay? So I always use hot boiling water. Or on the side, I always have a kettle with some water. Okay? Good. So you see that now? This is what we're looking for. Yep. You see that rich color? Oh, this is gonna be so nice. This is gonna be so nice, guys. I need you to try it. And tell me if you miss eating curry chicken wings, if you miss that. Because this one is gonna make you miss it. This one is gonna make you not miss it. This one is gonna make you eat more curry turkey wing than chicken wing, guys. Trust me. Because this is so nice. Alright, so we're gonna cover him up. I'll let the fire continue to do the work. But stay tuned, watch the video. And all of my subscribers, enough respect. All the old subscribers, one love. All new ones, still one love. Thank you for watching the video, guys. One straight to your TV. Up and running. Okay, my peeps. To check out the pattern now. You see that? Coming along nicely. Yeah, I'm coming along nicely. This is gonna be so nice. Trust me on that one. Guys, you need to try this one. I can't tell you more than tell you to try this one. Because this one is nice. So flavorful. So see, I'm doing thing. Make the fire stay. I continue to do your work. So stay tuned and watch the video. The video is nice. Okay, my people. My subscriber, my viewers, look at it. Look at it. Oh, wow. Look at it, boy. Look at it. Look at this, man. It's doing what it's doing. Let it take time and doing what it's doing because I want it to be soft, nice, and juicy like always. That's how I'm gonna get it. So let it take your time and do it thing. The fire is taking time, do it thing. Stay tuned and watch the video to the end, guys. And give it a like. Okay. Alright, my people. See pot, you know. Looking nice. Getting soft and juicy. So at this point, you have to say almost cooked now, you know. So we are going to put in the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so we are going to season them up, you know, and give them the final flavor. We have some onion, sweet pepper, carrot, Irish potato, blue onion, white onion, and how it goes. Season up the pot. Some nice carrots. Okay. Fix them up, you know, my people. So we touch down, you know, so it's time to eat. Yeah, add them things to him. Some ton of flavor, you know. Turn up more flavor, you know. Yo. Okay. This is what we're talking about. See that? Yeah. So I go cover it up back and make it go and finish cook. By the time you see them everything to cook, we finish cook. So stay tuned and watch the video. Trust me, guys, do it at home. Check it out and tell me how it tastes because I know it's nice. So keep on watching, guys. I'm going to show you when we finish up with it. Okay? And I'm telling you, these turkey wings are so juicy. So stay tuned. One Straight Yard TV. Up and running. Okay, my people. This is it. This is it. See, yeah. Not more from that. We are going to turn the fire off. And we are going to get to it. And we are going to eat some. We are going to dig in it, guys. Because I know this is nice. Okay? So stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. Yeah, I have to get some in a plate. Wow. Look at this. Nice and juicy. That is it, guys. That is it. Okay, my people. This is the end result of this sweet, nice, juicy turkey wing, guys. Look at it. Look how it's falling apart. See that? Well soft, well nice and juicy. See that? Wow, it's so soft that's breaking, guys. Very juicy. See that? I'm gonna dig in it, guys. I know I can't wait to taste it out. Long time like this now. It's a mud. Hold on. Flavor so mad that I have to keep going, keep going. Yes, guys. That one has gone viral. People, check this one out. This one is so nice and delicious. Look at the turkey wing, guys. It's falling off a bone. The bone are falling apart. Nice and juicy, tender, soft, delicious. See that? Look at my gravy. So rich it is. So people, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. One Straight Yard TV. Up and running. All around the place. Stay tuned. Yo. This one right, man.